दिस वीडियो इज़ गोइंग टू बी अबाउट टीरा हॉल। तो मैंने बहुत सारी चीज़ें ऑर्डर की हैं ओवर अ स्पैन ऑफ ऑब्वियसली दिस मंथ एंड प्रीवियस 2 मंथ्स, बिकॉज आई वॉज वेरी श्योर कि मुझे ये वीडियो शूट करना ही करना है। तो मैंने काफ़ी कुछ सामान ऑर्डर किया है और मैंने उसमें से कुछ भी यूज़ नहीं किया, बिकॉज मैं आपको सबसे पहले आप सबको दिखाना चाहती हूँ कि मैंने क्या क्या लिया है और आपको फीडबैक देना चाहती हूँ कि जो जो चीज़ें मुझे पसंद है क्या वो आपको भी पसंद आती हैं, तो आप उसको ले सकते हैं, शॉप कर सकते हैं। So without any further ado, let's get started. So the first thing I bought from Tira, the day it was launched on Tira was this. It's a youth to the people superfood cleanser, and I was like so excited when this was launched on Tira because I always wanted to get this. And I'll show you how it looks. This is how the bottle looks. It's a glass bottle, and it says kale plus green tea spinach vitamin superfood cleanser. And it says it's stacked with antioxidants, vitamins, and good for skin. And this will help in maintaining your pH balance face wash and helps in completely cleansing your skin and giving that nice glow. Okay, so this is the first. This is definitely an expensive product, but I just couldn't wait. Actually, it has a story behind it. I was traveling and I was out of the country on vacation, and then that is when I saw this. It's launched on Tira, and I had to like really buy a phone number and everything to get that OTP and all, and buy this cleanser for myself. So this is the first product. Next, I have 3 options in the toners. So next is the Pixie Glow Tonic, which I'm sure you all would have seen. It has 5% glycolic acid, and it claims to kind of gently exfoliate and brighten your skin, revealing that healthy glow skin. So, and the best part of this product is that you can use it on your underarms, you can use it on your elbows, you can use it on your knees. So next, this toner I love. Next new thing that I bought it in the small size, the Tir Milk Skin Toner, which is in the 50 ml size. So now this milk skin toner is a lot in fashion. So I have not yet used it, so I'm going to try and let you know how it works on my skin. But the ingredients it has is, it contains chamomile extract and rice bran, and that makes your skin like really hydrated and smooth. So this is the second one. And the third is one of the viral products that we have, is basically from the brand DU, In Balance Smoothie Milky Tonic. So this I have used once. Let me just use it. It's a hydrating milky tonic, which just kind of, you can use it before makeup, you can use it before, after your skincare, after your face wash. So it just kind of sets your face, hydrates really well. So yeah. Okay, now moving after toners, I have 2 more options in the skincare. I wanted to try this brand for a long time. This is the A-Kind. It's a Meera Rajput brand, which I suppose everybody knows that. So yeah, so I wanted to try some of their products. So I got 2 products from them. Let's open this. Yeah. So one of them is basically their oil-free cleanser. As you can see, it comes with a pump. You can lock it as well like this. So which is amazing. Basically it has oil-free balancing cleanser with something mandelic acid. This cleanser, it has gentle oil-free ingredients that gently cleans your skin, minimize the appearance of pores, and at the same time hydrates your skin. So yeah, this is the first product. And the second product I got is this lightweight everyday toner, and it maintains the pH balance while providing light hydration. So this is something, I love the packaging though. It's very mini size, so it's very travel friendly also, and this is also something that I will try and let you know. Okay, so after this skincare, let's move on to body care. Yes, so in the body care I also have Body Shop ka argan shower gel. So my skin like dry, so and now it's behaving more dry, I don't know why. So I just wanted to invest in this Body Shop argan shower oil. It's very good, it's very refreshing. I've used it before, and the price point is also very good, and it smells divine. So yeah, this is the next body care I got. Then I got my favorite from Body Shop. This is the Body Shop body cream, body butter in the fragrance Wild Jasmine. So this is how the product looks. और इसका फ्रेग्रेंस तो भाई साहब, ओह गॉड, बहुत अच्छा है. इट्स वेरी थिक लोशन. सो अगर आपकी स्किन काफ़ी ज़्यादा ड्राई है तो यू शुड डेफिनेटली इन्वेस्ट इन दिस. You get this in 200 ml and it costs ₹1595, and currently you will get it on good discount at Tira. So yeah, so this is the second one. I have 2 more products in skincare, 3 more products rather. Okay, so I got my hands on the Wishcare Rose Water. ये तो मतलब मैं रोज़ वाटर तो ऐसे यूज़ करती हूँ जैसे मतलब चलते फिरते ही मैं रोज़ वाटर अपने फेस पे मारती रहती हूँ, बॉडी पे मारती रहती हूँ. तो मतलब मुझे आई लव रोज़ वाटर बेसिकली. So I've been using this one for a very long time. So I have restocked the plum one. It's very good. And then I've seen some YouTuber raving about this Wishcare 100% Kanauj rose water. This is from the brand Wishcare. So I really wanted to try this. I have not yet even opened the seal of it. So I'm going to try this and let you know in some short what I feel about it. So next I have got this hand cream from this brand called L'Occitane. This is my favorite brand in hand creams. Although I have more hand creams, I really love the Earth Rhythm ones. They are also very amazing. But my personal favorite is this one. It has a very thick consistency, which really like moisturize your hands, and the smell is amazing. So all their variants I've tried, and this is my favorite one, which is in the fragrance Rose. Yes. Okay, next is 2 products that I want to show you. This is the first time I'm buying this. It's the Beauty of Joseon. I have not tried many Korean brands, but yeah, अभी तो सब कोरिया के ब्रांड्स धीरे धीरे धड़ाधड़ से लॉन्च हो रहे हैं, तो मैंने सोचा लेट मी ट्राई इट. तो मैंने ये लिया है ब्यूटी ऑफ जोजान का सनस्क्रीन. दिस इज़ देयर न्यू लॉन्च. इट कम्स विद दिस ट्यूब पैकेजिंग, and let me show you the consistency of this. So you can see, oh wow, so it's completely like watery, and you can see ये एकदम से अच्छे से absorb भी हो. This is how it is. It has no fragrance, तो इसमें कोई fragrance नहीं है, which is a good thing because I generally don't like products with fragrance, because sometimes my skin becomes very sensitive, sometimes it's normal, I don't know. So yeah, but yeah, I'm really looking forward to this sunscreen, and it says that it's Aqua Fresh Rice Plus B5 SPF 50 PA plus. तो देखते हैं ये कितना plus काम करती है. Anyways, I'm going on a vacation very soon, so I'm going to be using all these products. So I think with my videos and shorts you'll get to know, you can see the how I'm using these products on myself. Oh, I forgot, sorry, I got one more sunscreen. Yes, this is the one from the brand Isdin. It comes in this kind of packaging, and I saw this in one of the interviews from Alia Bhatt, where she was saying that she uses this. So let's use this. She says it's very very thin consistency. So this is how it is, and it leaves no white cast, as you can see. और ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा मतलब एकदम से थोड़ा एक्सपेंसिव है, और ये एकदम से गायब हो गई है. वाओ, इट्स कम्प्लीटली मैटिफाइड. दोनों ही अच्छी हैं यार. ये ब्यूटी ऑफ जोजान भी बहुत अच्छी है, और ये तो थोड़ा सा इसमें खुशबू भी है, थोड़ा सा फ्रेग्रेंस भी है, तो ये तो और भी ज़्यादा अच्छी लग रही है मुझे. तो गाइज़ मैं ये दोनों यूज़ करूँगी, और डेफिनेटली आपको बताऊँगी कि मुझे कौन सी ज़्यादा सूट करे. सो नेक्स्ट वन आई हैव नाइट का मेरा एक स्किन मैंने मंगवाया है, विच इज़ द Laneige स्लीपिंग बाउंसी फॉर्म. मैंने को एक बार ये I buy lip balms from Laneige, okay. So sometimes during sale and all, I got a very small freebie of this, and I used it, and I really liked it. But still, I was not sure if I should invest in a in a big size. So again मैंने एक medium size का ये मंगवाया है. This is how the packaging looks. Very nice packaging. The last product in skincare, I got this because I'm going to for a beachy vacation. तो वहाँ पे मेरे पैर वैर तो बहुत गंदे हो जाएंगे, तो मैंने ये O3 प्रोफेशनल का ये मंगाया है, पेडी ब्राइट फीट मास्क. तो इट हेल्प्स इन ब्राइटनिंग. इट क्लेम्स टू ब्राइटन एंड रिमूव टैन, instantly soften, moisturize and enhance elasticity and smoothen cracked heels. So I'm assuming ये कुछ socks type रहेगा. इसको पहनना है like this, as you can see like this, and then it will just moisturize. So let's see. Now moving to the next step, which is the hair care. मुझे hair care का अपने improve करने की बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है, because I am facing a lot of hair fall. So I wanted to invest in something really good. So first thing I got is from this brand. I don't know how to pronounce it. It's called OUAI. So it's a detox shampoo for all hair types. So मैंने अभी ये छोटा वाला ही मंगवाया है देखने के लिए कि how it performs, and if I like it I will definitely order a bigger size. And I don't think इसका fragrance बहुत अच्छा है. Next thing I'm really excited about is this from this brand OUAI का बॉडी एंड हेयर स्क्रब. सो वाई दिस? बिकॉज अभी मेरा बहुत ज़्यादा हेयर फॉल हो रहा है, डैंड्रफ हो रहा है. तो हेयर स्क्रब करने से क्या होता है ना कि आपका जो भी फ्लेकी स्किन है या जो भी जैसे इचीनेस वगैरह होती है ना, तो वो निकल जाती है धोने के बाद. तो इसलिए मैंने ये मंगाया. एंड दिस इज़ हाउ द कंसिस्टेंसी ऑफ दिस. दिस इज़ वेरी एक्सपेंसिव दो, बट द बेस्ट पार्ट अबाउट दिस इज़ दैट इसको आप बोथ बॉडी एंड हेयर दोनों पे यूज़ कर सकते हैं. सो लास्ट ऑफ माई फेवरेट हेयर केयर प्रोडक्ट दैट आई वॉट फॉर दिस वेकेशन आर दीज टू थिंग्स. आई लव दिस ब्रांड मर्मेड. इसका कलर भी है मेरे पास, बट आई एम नॉट शोइंग इट राइट नाउ बिकॉज आई हैव ऑलरेडी परचेज्ड इट एंड यूज्ड इट एंड abused it. But yeah, I got these clips which was out of stock last time. They are very pretty. Let's show you how it looks. ये ऐसे कुछ क्लिप्स हैं. यू कैन यूज इट लाइक दिस मेकअप से पहले. सो या, सो आपके बालों पे क्रीज वीज नहीं आती. You will get that these kind of clips on Amazon also, but I love this one. I wanted to try this brand. I like this brand a lot. So yeah, I got this. Next one, I got this for myself, which is a, as you can see, it's a Iconic Me 3-in-1 Express Styler. It's a dryer, voluminizer and styler. So this is how it looks. It says 3-in-1 styler. तो यहाँ पे एक लॉकिंग का सिस्टम है. इसको आप ऐसे लगा के, इसको लगा के आप ऐसे इसको यहाँ पे ऐसे लॉक कर सकते हैं. एंड देन एट द बॉटम यू हैव दी स्पीड्स, हाई, मीडियम, लो. तो आप एडजस्ट कर सकते हैं. और फिर इसको खोल के आप यहाँ से इसको ये लगा के ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं, लो ड्राई. सो इट्स काइंड ऑफ अ ड्यूप फॉर डाइसन, बट आई थिंक इट परफॉर्म्स इक्वली एज वेल एज द डाइसन. बट हाँ, मैंने अभी तक इसका सिर्फ ड्रायर यूज़ किया है, ब्लो ड्राई यूज़ नहीं किया है. तो आई एम गोइंग टू यूज़ इट एंड लेट यू नो हाउ इट इज. नाउ नेक्स्ट वी मूव टू माई फेवरेट, विच इज़ मेकअप. आई गॉट माई हैंड्स ऑन for foundation. I bought 2 foundations. One is from SheGlam, as you can see. This is the foundation from SheGlam and I am in the shade Shell. मैंने बहुत ऑनलाइन ही देख के शेड चूज़ किया है because I don't know. So it comes like this. It's a nice packaging though. It comes in a cushiony cover, and this is how the bottle looks. And it comes with a pump. You see the shade. I'm using it for the first time, guys, just for you. Yeah. So you can see. I think this is a good match for me. Very thin consistency. I don't like too heavy foundations. So yeah. Immediately ये blend भी हो गया है. I think मेरी finger से ही. तो yeah. Next one I want to try for a very long time. It's the Tete Cushion Foundation. I've got the small size in the shade 23 and Sand. ये मैंने अभी तक यूज़ नहीं किया है, ओपन भी नहीं किया. मैं फर्स्ट टाइम ओपन कर रही हूँ. इट कम्स लाइक दिस. इसमें एक ये छोटा सा ऐसा कुछ है स्पॉन्ज टाइप का, एंड देन इट ओपन्स लाइक दिस फ्रॉम हेयर. this is the product. You have to dip it and then use it. Just go to how it comes. Oh, nice. I think ये थोड़ा सा डार्क एनर्जी है, थोड़ा सा, not too much. But I think मैं बीच पे तो टैन हो ही जाऊंगी, तो I can use this. So yeah, this is good. Then I got concealer. I got only one concealer. See, I'm not very good with concealer. I don't know why. मेरे concealer में जो भी shade लेती हूँ, पता नहीं मेरे under eyes grey हो जाते हैं. I don't know what to do. Again, this shade is again very light. So this is how the She Glam concealer looks, and I got the shade Icon. I think ये बहुत light हो गया guys मेरे लिए. No, this is actually very light, but I don't know. I will try to make it work. So moving on to eyeshadows, I have 3 options. The first palette I got is the She Glam Berry palette. So, oh wow, this is how the packaging looks, and it has the shade name at the back. This is the first time I'm opening it. Oh wow. So this is how it looks. Yeah, remove this. So it's got a very nice combination of colors, and it's got this huge brush. Nice colors, browns, we have berries, we have nude colors, transition shades. Good one. I'm really loving She Glam guys, and I think अभी मैं अपने वेकेशन में सिर्फ She Glam लेके जाने वाली हूँ, because wow, it's all their products are amazing, all their products. Next, another palette I got is this white color का She Glam का palette in the shade Moving On. Okay, ये थोड़ा सा एक cult type का palette है. I think थोड़ा different है. ये मैं use कर चुकी हूँ एक बार. तो this is how the color scheme looks. You can see it has very nice different kind of browns. It has metallic shades, a black metallic, and very mauvey sort of shades. So yeah, and of course a very big mirror, which is a plus. So yeah, next is the Romand palette, which is very famous. मैंने first time लिया है Romand का palette. I have their lip tints, but I've never tried the palettes. And the moment I saw this, I think this is from their new launch. So the moment I saw this, I was like, I have to get it. So this is how it looks. Very simple, very classy. I love the shimmer. The shimmer shades are very nice. And let me just swatch some of them. Only the shimmer shades. Huh? So this is the first one. Ooh. Wow. थोड़ा सा sticky लग रहा है, like it's just sticking to my hand, as you can see, but I think with the brush it will perform better. But yeah, but overall the pigmentation is damn good. Now moving on to blushes, I have 3 options. All are from She Glam. So the first one is the She Glam Mushroom Blush in the shade Birthday Suit. So this is a very pretty shade guys. Very very nice shade, sun-kissed kind of look. अगर आपको चाहिए तो you can definitely buy this shade. This is how it looks. And then I have this another shade, which is the cult favorite, Love Cake. और ये थोड़ा pinkish है, which is my favorite. Again, this is how the applicator looks. Just switch it over here. You can see. Nice. Yeah. Then I have this very cute little She Glam का another blush in the shade You Are Peachy, और ये मैंने लिया है, oh god, it's a little broken. ये, this is how it looks. It's a very pretty peach shade, which will go with like all my other blushes as well. So yeah, next next is basically the She Glam contour stick. भाई मैंने पूरी शी ग्लैम की दुकान उठा ली है और अभी मैं देखती रहती हूँ, पता है, आई जस्ट कीप गोइंग एंड सीइंग ऑन शी ग्लैम्स पेज दैट कुछ नया तो नहीं लॉन्च हुआ, एंड आई जस्ट वांट टू बाय इट. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज दिस कॉन्टोर आई गॉट which is in the shade golden sun, again the same mushroom applicator, and I have not tried this, तो इसको मैं ट्राई करूँगी अपने वेकेशन पे और आपको बताऊँगी ये कैसा है. नेक्स्ट इज दिस शी ग्लैम का हाइलाइटर इन द शेड वनीला फ्रॉस्ट. दिस आई विल शो यू. सो इट कम्स विद this kind of doe foot applicator, and I don't know where to use now. I'll show you here. Oh my god, wow. See, I don't know if the camera is picking up, but इसने एकदम से मतलब बहुत सही शाइन दे दिया है. You can mix it with your foundation as well. Last two products that I want to show you, actually 4, not 2. I got this brush from this brand called Bronson Professionals. इनके brushes बहुत अच्छे होते हैं. I don't know, I somehow love them. इसके bristles भी बहुत ज़्यादा soft है, तो I think foundation के लिए ये बहुत सही रहेगा. Something different. So let's see. Next, I got this 3-in-1 palette from this brand called Anastasia, and it was on 50% discount guys. I don't know अभी discount पे है कि नहीं, but उस time ये 50% discount पे था और मैंने immediately खरीद लिया. It has a contour shade, it has a highlighter shade, and it has a blush shade. The blush is amazing, the contour is amazing. It's a bronzer rather, not a contour. तो ये और ये दोनों मैं mix करके use करने वाली हूँ. तो yeah, this is the next one. If it is still on 50% off, all of this you definitely should get this. It's very good. Then the last 2 things I want to show you are these. So again, this is again from the She Glam. It's a makeup fixer. You can see इसका mist बहुत ही ज़्यादा fine है और इसका एक vanilla coconut kind of smell है, which is good. And next is this one. It's a restock. तो एज यू नो आई हैव ऑयली स्किन, तो मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा लाइक कॉम्पैक्ट और ये सब लगाना पसंद नहीं है, तो आई यूज़ दिस. इट्स अ नो सीबम मिनरल पैक्ड पाउडर फ्रॉम द ब्रांड इनसफ्री, और ये मतलब बहुत अच्छा है. इसमें ये ऐसे स्पॉन्ज आता है और आप ऐसे लो, और अभी मैंने हाथ पे ये लगाया है ना, मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ. एकदम से ये पूरा आपको मैट फिनिश दे देता है, तो मेकअप के ऊपर लाइक ये देखो, जैसे ये हाथ पे थोड़ा शिमरी सा लग रहा है. आई जस्ट शो यू. मैं इसको लगाऊंगी और ये एकदम से ये सारा ऑयल एब्जॉर्ब कर लेता है और एकदम से ऐसे मैट फिनिश आ जाता है. दिस इज अनदर मस्ट हैव. आई हैव सो मेनी लिप प्रोडक्ट्स. ओके, so the first lip product I got is from this lip scrubber from this brand called Cub. I love scrubbing my lips because which girl doesn't love pink lips? And I don't have naturally too much pink lips, so I use these tools to kind of like scrub, and इससे मेरे lips pink हो जाते हैं. Next is one lip liner that I got from She Glam. Is in the shade neutral. So this is how the lip liner looks. It's very shade. It's a very pretty nude shade, which will go with almost everything. So yeah, and their lip liners are very, very cost effective. I think I paid only 300 for this, 200 something. So yeah, you can buy a lot of shades. Then another one I got is this lipstick from them. ये है bullet lipstick in the shade Born to Stand Out. Next I got this one, which I really like. It's a lip plumping sort of a thing, lip plumping lipstick or gloss like this. This is how the packaging looks, और ये थोड़ा थोड़ा सा पिंकिश और होलोग्राफिक काइंड ऑफ लुक है इसका, और इसको यहाँ से नीचे से पेन को ऐसे करना पड़ता है और ये बाहर आता है प्रोडक्ट थोड़ा थोड़ा करके, एंड देन यू कैन जस्ट लुक एट दिस, कैन सी इट्स वेरी गुड, वाओ सो जूसी, so this is very good for daily use. Yeah, then I got another lipstick from She Glam. It is their liquid lipstick in the shade, this is the one I am wearing today. It's called Vetiver. It's a nice bricky brown sort of shade. This is how it looks, very nice. इसका जो टेक्सचर है बहुत ही मूजी है, बहुत ही स्मूथ है, एकदम से वन स्वाइप एप्लीकेशन है, so this is another must have. Next I got is the Deconstruct Hydraulic Acid Lip Balm. I think it's a new launch on Tira, and it's a plain lip balm, nothing fancy. So yeah, हम लोग tinted तो बहुत सारे लेते हैं, but एक नॉर्मल लिप बाम होना बहुत ज़रूरी है, so I got this. Next I got this. Okay, this one I really wanted to show you. I'm really excited. It's from the brand Face Shop, the Therapy Vegan Multi Lip Serene something. Okay, तो इसका first of all I love the packaging. I love the packaging of this. It's so like tiny, cute. और इसमें ना 2-in-1 है, इसको ऐसे घुमाएंगे तो प्रोडक्ट बाहर आता है, ये देखो ऐसे प्रोडक्ट बाहर आता है, एंड देन इट हैज़ अ स्क्रब एज वेल, नॉट जस्ट द लिप बाम बट ऑल्सो द स्क्रब. सो मैं देखती हूँ इसका, इसमें हल्का हल्का है, थोड़ा सा थिक है, लेकिन इसमें हल्के हल्के से ग्रैनुअल्स हैं जो आपके लिप को स्क्रब भी करेंगे, एट द सेम टाइम इट विल नरिश ऑल्सो. सो नेक्स्ट इज द फेमस Tit लिप ऑयल. ये मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ. आई लव लिप ऑयल्स. अभी तक आई वॉज यूजिंग द के ब्यूटी का लिप ऑयल विच आई लव, विच इज़ अमेजिंग. तो मैंने सोचा अभी ये लेते हैं कुछ डिफरेंट. इट्स ब्लू इन कलर, इट कम्स इन द क्लासिक एप्लीकेटर, एंड या इट्स नॉट अच्छा लगता है. देन यू हैव आई गॉट दिस न्यू लिपस्टिक फ्रॉम द ब्रांड L'Oreal. इट्स इन द शेड वर्थ इट. इसका मुझे लिपस्टिक का बुलेट बहुत अच्छा लगा, बहुत डिफरेंट है. यू कैन सी इट्स वेरी यूनिक सॉर्ट ऑफ अ लिपस्टिक, और कलर भी बहुत सुंदर है. इट्स इन द क्लासिक शेड वर्थ इट. ओह माय गॉड, इट्स अ न्यूड कलर, यू कैन सी. सो या आई एम गोइंग टू मेक अ शॉर्ट्स ऑन दिस L'Oreal का लिपस्टिक, so do check it out. Then the last 3 products I have are these, my favorite. I got 2 lip glosses from the brand again She Glam. ये ज़्यादा She Glam हॉल बनता जा रहा है, बट ठीक है यार, मतलब मुझे नए ब्रांड्स ट्राई करने थे तो मैंने वही लिए जो न्यू लॉन्चेस थे. तो या सो देन दिस इज़ हाउ इट लुक्स. इट्स इन द शेड बेबी फेस. बहुत प्यारा कलर है गाइस ये. You can see this is how it looks. And the another shade I got is Primp. It's a very pretty pink shade. ये शायद मैंने एक बार ट्राई किया है. I think this one will not show on. It's a very light color. This one is Primp, and this one is baby face. I don't think this one will show too much on darker skin tones, but the lighter skin tones can definitely use this one. And the last product is again a restock from the brand Etude House. Is their lip and water tint, जो मैंने आज अपने cheeks पे भी लगाया हुआ है. I love this brand. ये ऐसा है और मतलब so good. इसको ऐसे आप लगा सकते हैं. It gives a very nice natural look. So yeah guys, this is all about the makeup. Now moving on to the last segment, that is the perfumes. So I restocked on my most favorite perfume, one of the most favorite perfumes, which is your Plum ka Body Loving. I am sure everyone knows about this and everyone raves about this perfume. So I also restocked it, and I love this perfume. I love all their perfumes. They are amazing. And with this I think we are done. We will end the vlog, and I hope you all enjoyed it, and I hope you all definitely like something from this haul. So I have a special announcement as this is my first haul. So I am planning to do a small giveaway. It has just 4 simple rules. All you have to do is you have to subscribe to my channel, you have to like the video, you have to share the video, and you have to comment down below which of these products you like the most and why. And जिसका भी कमेंट मुझे सबसे अच्छा लगेगा उसको वर्थ ₹1500 का हैम्पर मिलेगा फ्रॉम माई साइड. सो प्लीज़ गो लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल. अंटिल देन बाय बाय, बी हैप्पी.